Hey guys, it's Jericho with Michelle's. Today I wanted to hop on and do some cotillion dresses. I know the cotillion is coming up pretty soon, so we wanted to make sure you guys knew that we do have dresses that are suitable for that. We also have the gloves, both black and white, whatever you need. And we also, of course, like I said, we have both black and white gowns that could work for cotillion too. So the first one that I pulled is this one. It's a size 0, it's just pretty basic chiffon, and it has a little stone right there, and then it's just kind of got a little sweetheart neckline. Pretty basic. I pulled a lot of basic gowns, but we do have more gowns with more beading and everything else in case if that's something that you're willing to go for. But it does not have a train, so everything that I've pulled doesn't have a train. Like I said, it's a size 0, and it's actually $99 and then 15% off of that. Okay. So the next one that I pulled is this one. This one does have a little more beading, but it's not like super flashy or anything. It is just really basic floral kind of pearl beading. It's a straight neckline, and then here's the back of it. Once again, no train. It does have buttons across the bottom or across the zipper. It is a size 6 and it's $200. This next one is a basic tulle. It actually has a belt that had been added to it. You're welcome to take the belt off, or just about any of these gowns, you're most likely going to be able to put a belt on it or something like that. This one is just basic tulle. It is a size 8. It retailed for $250, and this one is $155. And then this next one is basic chiffon. It does have some ruching at the top there, and then a line of satin across the top. This is one that you could probably put a belt on if you wanted to. It does have straps. It is a size 14. It is brand new, and it's only $99. Alright, this next one is a satin. It is a little bit of a fuller skirt, so it's not so straight, and it's just really well made, honestly, so it's gonna be it's not gonna be torn while you're dancing or anything like that. Just really nice and simple. Another one that you could easily put a belt on and give it a little bling. It's a size 12 and it's $199. Alright, so now for the blacks. Once again, like I keep saying, I pulled pretty basic stuff, but we do have, of course, many other dresses in both black and white that have tons more beading, so if that's something that you need, or if you do need the more basic, we have that also. So this one is just basic black chiffon. It is one-shouldered, and it does have some detailing on that shoulder right there. There's the back of it. Alright, it's a size 4, $78, and then 15% off. Alright, and this next one is a really nice satin. It is more of a fitted style with kind of almost like a flare down at the bottom there. It's a sweetheart neckline. Here's the back. It is a corset back. It is a size 6 and it's also $78 with 15% off. So I tried to pull some budget-friendly dresses because I know a lot of you don't want your cotillion dress to be your prom dress or something like that. So I pulled some dresses that are a little more budget-friendly. However, this one does have some bling, because I did want to give you an example of one of them that we do have a little more bling. It is kind of a fitted mermaid trumpet-ish style. It does have some pleating up on the bodice, and it's a sweetheart neckline. And then the back of it here has beading all the way down the back. It's absolutely stunning. So even if you don't wear this for cotillion, maybe this might be your prom dress because it's so stunning. And it doesn't have a train. It's a size 6. It retailed for $600. We have it for $250 and then 15% off. Alright, this next one is kind of like the white satin that I showed you guys already. It's black satin, and it's honestly shaped almost just alike. It does, however, have a line of little stones across the top there, and on the back it does have that line of stone, goes all the way around the neckline. So there's the back of the dress. It is a size 8. It's $84 and 15% off. And then the last one is lace, actually. It does have a few little sequin beading on the bodice there. It is a sweetheart neckline. It's just really simple on the back. This one does, however, have a slit in the front. It is a size 10 at $84 and 15% off. And then, so like I said, we also have the gloves, both black and white. We also have tons of jewelry if you need to add jewelry to your gown that you already have, or a belt or anything like that. We have tons of accessories to add to it. So we just wanted to let you guys know that we do have cotillion dresses, both black and white, and there's so many more options than just what I've shown you today, because we do have tons of wedding gowns here. So if you find a wedding gown that you're just in love with and that's what you want as your cotillion dress, we have those options too. So definitely come see us for your cotillion dresses. Thank you guys. Bye.